Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's go ahead to create a design portfolio. So all I have to do now, there are different design portfolios, but you as a mobile phone designer and you're using Canva on your mobile phone. So let me just go to Play Store, go to your App Store as well. So let's look for Behance. So we have different types, but we are going to be using Behance. Behance is one of the most popular one. So we are going to be using Behance as a mobile app graphic designer. So I'll be using Behance and I'll just download the Behance app here on Play Store. You could download it on App Store as well. So I'm going to install Behance to create my portfolio. So I'm going to install this app and I'll wait for that to get installed so I could use that to create my portfolio. So Behance is being installed while I wait for it. So we will go ahead to tidy up what we want to do. So to create our very first portfolio, I'll be using Canva to tidy up our designs, but let's make sure our Behance is opened first. And when it's opened, we will know how to go about it. So there are other portfolio app you could create. So you could use your browser to create a Dribble account. So you could go ahead to create a Dribble account as well. So let's see how Dribble works. So you click on Dribble. So you create an account from your phone, just as easy as that. Then all you have to do is to create an account or you log in. So you could easily have an account created. It's as simple as just creating with your Gmail. So just find a way to create an account, a Dribble account, then you could easily upload your portfolio. So you use your phone to do that. Of course, you use your phone to do that. Then you could proceed, and here we are. So I'm going to just use my Gmail to log in. So you could go ahead to create a Dribble account. This is another portfolio website. You could use this to create your portfolio yourself. And here we have all the names, the username. So once you click on your Gmail, you'll be brought here where you create like different, you create your username, create everything you need to create for Dribble. So I could just say blood actions, you use your email, you use a password. So you get to create a Dribble account for yourself. But while we wait for that, let's just work on Behance for now. So I'm going to be using Behance. I'm going to choose Behance, and here's the Behance app. And Behance, now we are going to see what it's going to be like. So right here, you say what creative fields would you like to see work from. So you say graphic design. I'll choose graphic design, and I'll just choose graphic design. Yes. Then I'll continue right here. I'll choose graphic design. Then I'll continue right there. So here we are going to have different. So you have to log into your accounts, of course. So if you have an account on Behance already, you're going to use the account to log in. But if you don't, you have to create one. So you can sign in or create an account. So you sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to just sign in with my Gmail or create an account with my Gmail. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I have different Gmails right here. So I'll choose one of these. So I can use this to create my Behance profile. And right now, you could easily just do your own branding, your own everything. Then you create a portfolio for yourself. So I'm authenticating my Gmail account. And once it's authenticated, so I'm going to be able to see the home page. And yes, we're going to continue this app usage. Then here we are. So here we have the Behance. If you are new here, so you have to create a Behance account to use that. So here is my profile, and you see my profile right here. So you could edit, I could edit my name and everything. You could just come here to edit my profile. But I hope to see in the next lesson where we get to talk more about using this app, and you use this app to get inspiration, use this app to do a whole lot of things. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.